altimeter en l'air.
No, here, Terry United Flight 137, 5,000 miles, 107. American 132, 2 left hand turn, showing Papa, hold short, Charlie, Charlie. 2 left turn, showing Papa, short, Charlie, Charlie, breaking action for us was good. Thank you. The United checking in, report rate. Report rate, United Flight 137.
Checked.
2000.
Checked. That's full. Landing checklist, can you prove? Aye. The first. Speed. The rank. Medium.
American 132, monitor 132.1.
Checklist completed.
32. Aircraft 136 Heavy, wind 08011, RVR 4000, braking action good, runway 10 center, clear line.
10 clear to land, 10 center clear to land, or post 136 heavy. Towards it.
Tower, Garrison 5, clear runway 10 left. Who was that? Garrison 5, clear runway 10 left. Okay, can you please do that on 132.7?
Control X, now.
Okay, just verify Honolulu will be waiting. You'll be departing in about 2 minutes. Certified Chicago King today? About 2 to 3 minutes. Thank you.
1000.
Check, 79.
Wait, 36, 2 left hand turn, showing Papa, hold short, Charlie, Charlie. 2 left, Papa, hold short, Charlie, Charlie. Cargo King 228 Heavy, you know what, can you take 10 left and you'll be, like, next to go? Affirmative, okay, today. Okay, let's do that. Monitor Tower 132.7, Cargo King 228 Heavy. Monitor 132.7, copy today. Tower, Brickyard 3553, just outside Cooper, 10 center. Brickyard 3553, report Ray. Report Ray. Runway 3636, monitor 132.7. 132.7.
5136.
APR. Check.
400.
10-1, we are still stabilized. Check.
300. 100 above.
Checked.
Tower 1AK47, anyone?
200.
Istanbul.
Do you need me to be behind that critical
Minimum.
area? If not, I can move up and take the 180. I got a plan for you, don't worry. Okay.
100.
Sur 800 pieds minutes, reste sous le camp.
44781, traffic's on a 6-mile final.
40,
Absolutely,
30,
proceed on
20,
runway 10
3
center,
times,
turn left at
5.
Bravo, Bravo, hold short runway 10 left at Bravo, Bravo.
Spotters. Radio train. Sail.
44781, I see you going there. Onset center, turn left at Bravo, Bravo,
Running
hold
on.
short 10 left. Alright, 10 center.
White cap.
Bravo, Bravo,
I'm looking white.
10 left, Motorski 4781. Aircraft 136 Heavy, turn left again on Papa, hold short at Charlie, Charlie.
Left, once again, Papa, we'll short Charlie, Air France 136. Left, Papa. Yes.
And now it's braking, Brickyard 3553. Every report's been good so far. Thank you. Air France 136 Heavy, stay braking.
Brickyard good, Air France 136.
Thank you. Skywest 5454, caution link, turn left, 2 rounds of heavy airbus, wind 090, 012, braking action good, RVR 4500, only 1 center, clear line.